I recently started using this e-bike, and what I found is that according to the standard way of setting the saddle height from the pedal, this is actually not able to go high enough. So what I've done is I've got one of these, you can get these on Amazon. They're not expensive at all. In fact, I think this was, they're less than $10. I think this was like $6 or $7. So this is supposed to be the same diameter as that and should be able to take the place of that. So let's see how it goes. The formula is you multiply your inside leg dimension by 0.883. Based on that, I get a number which is 28.25. So and you measure from the center of the sprocket here. So right now it looks like it should be up here according to that. This should be a piece of cake because this is a quick release here, and what I'm going to do is remove this saddle and attach it to that one. Let's just see if this fits first of all, because I made the mistake before. I ordered the wrong size. Now this has a minimum, basically the bottom of where that measurement is, and the nice thing about this I just noticed is you have a scale on the side, so that's good. If I'm gonna take this off or move it, I can determine where it is on the scale and set it back easily. So let's put this in there. So the thing is, this is probably a bit longer than I need. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to put that in there. So seems like the perfect size, and then I'm going to put this saddle on. I'm just loosening these nuts here from using a wrench from the toolkit that came with the bike. That's on nice and tight. And it looks like I'm going to have to take this off too, which, whoops, wow, okay. I guess that's loose. So yeah, so this just has, it looks like it has a square shank bolt there with that's got threads on each end. And I'm going to fit this in here. Let's see if that fits well. So I think these are standard size, and it looks like it goes up to a stop. So push it all the way there, and then get this tightened back up. Now I suppose you could change the angle of this. I'm just going to leave it exactly where it was because I didn't have any trouble with that. Tighten this up. But that looks good. That looks like it's on there pretty solid. Let's put this in there. Now this actually goes through and it touches the spring. So let's just see if that height is going to be not too high. Yeah. So this is right now it's about 26 inches. So I need to go up to 28 and a quarter according to the kind of the way that you calculate. So 28 and a quarter is going to put this, let's see, depends exactly where you measure it to. So something about there. So I'm just looking on the scale. It's showing that this is about 5 millimeters, I guess. So it's actually pretty well extended. I'm going to have to get used to, when I'm stopping, I'm going to have to get used to the idea of stepping down. So where this is right now, let's see, is I'm going to be pretty high up there, which that's probably a better height. So yeah, I'm going to give that one a try. that's going to solve the situation that some people have complained about with this this particular bike, and I'm sure it may be common with other bikes too.